Morning, dear students. Welcome to you e-learning classes managed by Modern English School Nevada. Dear student, myself Sujay Kumar, your mathematics teacher of Modern English School New Area now. Today I discuss some other problem of exercise 3B, that is linear equations of two variables of simultaneous equation. Now we solve all questions by only one method, that is elimination method, because there are not any type of instruction in board examination that you solve the problem by any special methods. So I think you can solve all problems by elimination method, and this method is easier than other methods. So dear students, you try to solve all questions by only and only by elimination methods. So I start here from question number 14. Here is a distance problem, that is 0.3x plus 0.5y is equal to 0.5, and here is 0.5x plus 0.7y is equal to 0.74. Here is 3 and 5, but here decimal given, but only write there digit. Here is multiply by 5 and here multiply by 3. What you get here? You get 1.5x. 0.3 multiply by 5, then 1.5x plus you multiply this, then you get 2.5y, and it is also only 2.5. Then multiply by 3, you get 1.5x plus 2.1y, and then you multiply, get 4 3 are 12, 7 3 are 21, and 22 after 2 decimals. Here is the decimal number of 2, so 2.2, and both sign positive, so subtract it, here plus, then minus, here plus, then minus, here plus, then minus. It is plus and minus to eliminate it. Now when you subtract 2.5 minus 2.1, then you get 0.4y, and here is 2.50 and it is 2.22. You get here 8 and 2. Here is 0.28. 0.28. So what is the value of y? The value of y is 0.28 by 0.4. This point cancel, you write here 10. This point cancel, you write here 100. This is cancelled, and 4 7 is 28. That is 7 by 10. So the value of y is 0.7. Now you substitute the value of y in equation first. Your equation is 0.3x plus 0.5y is equal to 0.5. Answer is here 0.7. So write here 0.3x plus 0.5 into 0.7 is equal to 0.5. Hence 0.3x plus, when you multiply, then you get 0.35 is equal to 0.5. So what is the value of 0.3x? It is 0.5 minus 0.35. What you get? You get 0.5 and 0.35. Here is 0, so you write 0.15. So 0.3x is equal to 0.15. So what is the value of x? So x is equal to 0.15 by 0.3. Cancel. Here is 100, here is 10, 3 5 are, so it is 5 by 10, that is 0.5 is answer. So value of y is 0.7 and value of x is 0.5. It is the solution. So you can solve the problem by easy method elimination. Thank you. See, other questions, that is question number 17 of exercise 3b. Here are three terms. One is x plus y minus 8 by 2 is equal to x plus 2y minus 14 by 3 is equal to 3x plus y minus 12 by 11. Dear student, first you solve two terms and you get a equation. Then other solve next two terms, then you get other equation. Then we eliminate and you can find the value of x and y. So here we write first two questions. term, that is xy minus 8 by 2 is equal to x plus 2y minus 14 by 3. Cross multiplication, you write 3 into x plus y minus 8 is equal to 2 into x plus 2y minus 14. Hence, here is 3x plus 3y minus 24 is equal to 2x plus 4y minus 28. Next step, 3x plus 3y minus 2x minus 4y is equal to minus 28 plus 24. That is 3x minus 2x is x and 3y minus 4y is y minus y and minus 28 plus 24 is minus 4. It is, you write it is the first equation. Similarly, you find with the help of this term, you find second equation. You write here first equation, that is x minus y is equal to minus 4 and it is the first equation. Now solve second equation. Now you solve these two terms. Here is x plus 2y minus 14 by 3 and 3x plus y minus 12 by 11. I write here x plus 2y minus 14 by 3, 3x plus y minus 12 by 11. By cross multiplication, you can write 11 into x plus 2y minus 14 and 3 into 3x plus y minus 12. What you get here? You get 11x plus 22y minus 154. When you multiply 14 into 11, that is 154 is equal to 9x plus 3y minus 36. So dear student, here is 11x plus 22y minus 9x minus 3y is equal to minus 36 and plus 154. Because here 154 is negative, then here is positive. What you get? 11x minus 9x, that is 2x, 22 minus 11x plus 22y minus 9x minus 3y is equal to minus 36 plus 154. So 11x minus 9x you get 2x, 22y minus 3y that is 19y and is equal to minus 36 plus 154, then you get 118. It is second equation. You write here 2x plus 19y is equal to 180. This is second equation. Now it is in the form of linear equation, and now you can use by elimination methods. Now you can use by the elimination method. First equation is x minus y is equal to minus 4 and second equation is 2x plus 19y is equal to 118. Right here. Here is x and here is 2x, so this is multiplied by 2 and this is multiplied by 1. So we write 2x minus 2y is equal to minus 8 and here is 2x plus 19y is equal to 118. Both have positive signs, so subtract it. Minus, here minus, this is plus, then minus. It is eliminate. So now it is 21y is equal to minus 126. So this minus cancel. What is y? That is 126 by 21. That is 6 times. So y is equal to 6 answer. Now substitute this value in equation first. That is x minus y is equal to minus 4. Then x minus 6 is equal to minus 4. Then x is equal to minus 4 plus 6. That is x is equal to 2. So what is the value of x and y? You write x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 6. It is the solution of this equation. Now see question number 23. Here is 5 by x minus 3y is equal to 1 and 3 by 2x plus 2 by 3y is equal to 5. Dear student, it is first equation and here is second equation. Here is 5 by x, here is 3y. Coefficient of this term is 5 and coefficient of this term is 3 by 2. So we multiply this equation by 3 by 2. and here multiply the 5, because here is the 1 by x, coefficient is 5, here is 1 by x, but coefficient is 3 by 2. What you get now? You get here 15 by x, 2x minus 9 by 2 by is equal to 3 by 2. Here 15 by 2x plus 10 by 3y is equal to 25. Now here is plus, then write minus, here is plus, then minus, here plus, then minus. Both are the same, so we eliminate it. Here write minus 9 by 2y minus 10 by 3y is equal to 3 by 2 minus 25. Now you write here LCM is 6y, 2 and 3, then LCM is 6y. 2, 3 then, so it is minus 27, and 3, 2 then, so it is minus 20. Is equal to, here is 2, it is 3, minus it is 50. Dear student, here is 47 by 6y, here is also minus 47 by 2. Now cross multiplication, you write minus 47 into 6y is equal to minus 47 into 2. So what is the value of y? It is minus 47 into 2 by minus 47 into 6. There is 6, go there. It is cancelled, 2, 3. So it is 1 by 3. So y is equal to 1 by 3. Answer. Now substitute this value of y in this equation first. So what you get here? Here 5 by x minus 3y by is equal to 1. Hence you write 5 by x and it is 3 by 1 by 3 is equal to 1. Then here is 5 by x and here is 9. Why 9? Because this is the division sign. So 3 by 1 by 3 means 3 into 3, that is 9. So it is 1. Hence 5 by x is equal to 10. By cross multiplication you can write 10x is equal to 5. 10x is equal to 5, then x is equal to 5 by 10, hence it is 1 by 2. So value of x is 1 by 2 and value of y is 1 by 3. It is the solution of the equation. So by elimination method you can solve this question by easy. Thank you. Now see, that is question number 25. Here is 4x plus 6y is equal to 3xy, 8x plus 9y is equal to 5xy. Dear student, here both sides are x and y are given. In these questions, 0 is satisfy the whole equations. So one answer is 0 is compulsory, is the solution of these two equations. So one answer of x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0, you can write that satisfy the equation. Now other solution how can find? Here is 8x, here is 4x. So you can only multiply by 2 and here 1, then you get both coefficients are equal. It is not compulsory that it is multiplied by 8 and it is multiplied by 4. When it is multiplied by 8, then you get 32. Here multiplied by 4, 32. Both are equal. But when you multiply 2 and 1, then you also get it is 8x and it is 8x. So it is easier than other. So now you multiply, then you get here 8x plus 12y is equal to 6xy. Here is 8x plus 9y is equal to 5xy. Subtract it. Here is plus, then minus. Here is plus, then minus. Here is plus, then minus. It is cancelled. It is 3y is equal to xy. Y cancel. Otherwise, you can write here like this. Here is 3y and here is xy. Then write xy minus 3y is equal to 0. Y is the common. Then x minus 3 is equal to 0. So y is equal to 0 and x is equal to 3. Then it is given one solution is 0 is compulsory. Now if x is equal to 3, then put in this equation first. then you get y, that is 4x plus 6y is equal to 3xy. Value of x is 3, so you write here 4 into 3 plus 6 into y is equal to 3 into 3 into y. Value of x is 3, I put here x and there also. Now it is 12 plus 6y is equal to 9y. Hence 12 is equal to 9y minus 6y. Hence 12 is equal to 3y. Then y is equal to 4. It is the solution of the y. So x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 4 is the solution of the equation.